Hello, my friend. Today we are going to recommend the new Louver design. Yeah, you can see our material is aluminum alloy and it is anti-corrosion and waterproof for outdoor use. For this Louver design, the shape is ellipse and we have different Louver designs for you to choose. We can see the Louver panel. It is with the screws, and there will be a big diagram to make the whole panel to be strong. So when we arrange the delivery, the Louver panel will be a whole set. So it will be very convenient for you to make the assemble.
The sleek, modern appearance of aluminum louvers complements both residential and commercial settings. Multiple shades options, seamless integration with various design themes. Louver balance airflow control and visual privacy, making them ideal for balconies, terraces, or perimeter boundaries without compromising natural ventilation.